Alright guys, happy holidays. So, I I do have, since I have all um, subscribers, I will update you guys on what's going on with my jobs and stuff. Okay, so now the new electronics job is very nice. I do like it a lot. What we do is they attenuate RF signals and have RF switching things. So I use the network analyzer. I will get some more. Um, I will get some more, like, I'll try to get some video or something, or like some pictures of what I do. So it is really. They have a lot, surface mount stuff, but it's like in combination. It's not just like a bunch of surface mount stuff. Just like, like a CPU, or not a CPU, but like a motherboard would have the surface mount parts on there. We do put some surface mount things on to boards, but because it is RF stuff, I have little examples to show you guys. They have a soldering area with the surface mount in production, and then they have the testing area there, and then there's the quality control, and then then all those boards go into other things. It's really interesting. So they started me out doing some surface mount and soldering, but that's not what I'm going to do in production. They wanted me to be, I'm in a testing area, but then they want me to move to the area where they put everything together and test it. So I do have some examples, and I don't want to. I try to. I'm trying to have this new camera here, so this way I can try to show you guys some of the things that I've been working on. So these are some of the things I've been working on, and those are just practice things. Just these are the little boards that they use. And then this is what I did today, just waiting for somebody to come and come over. So yeah, that's just and it's a lot of RF stuff. But in other news, I did get um, I did get a kit from I got this kit. Oh, okay. I got this kit and put this together to practice. Of course, this isn't surface mount stuff, but this is a little timer thing that I got. So let's see if we can do it a little bit better. But it has a little timer on it, so you could make the timer go whatever time you wanted and have it activate some relays or something like that. It would be really easy to incorporate that into this design. See, there's a 30-second timer, and then you just move this thing, and it'll become a 60-second timer. So that was on the bottom. That jumper was on the bottom part. So you just move it up. So it's a 30 or 60-second timer. And I got that off Amazon. I'm not trying to promote them, but Amazon, Alibaba, or that other one, that Bangar, whatever, That's what all these things are. These things are very easy to find, but they're so much fun to put together. So this one actually I put together actually works. Look how nice that is. This is the 60-second timer. So you just have that jumper. So you could have it. Um, what I wanted to do with it was make an Instagram thing where you could, because Instagram just has you, it just want, see, look, because Instagram just has you for 60 seconds on the post. I could press a button and then the light would go on, and then I could talk, and then I would have like maybe, well, there's nothing to indicate that I wouldn't want to look away, I wouldn't want to look away to show that I was not looking at the numbers. So like, you could just have a camera, a phone thing, and just have a timer on it, an app. So that's not so marvelous, but what you could do is just have it, if you guys know, the selfie sticks have, you automatically plug them in, the selfie sticks, so you automatically plug it in, and you can start videos and stop them. Obviously, that's how the selfie stick works. um, but it's really cool because it's just all through the phone cord. And then I thought, well, you could just make a Instagram thing with that, where it would just, you press a button and you'd have 60 seconds and you'd make your Instagram thing. And then you could even get into, have Adafruit have some kind of thing where where Raspberry Pi, where it would just like send it off to post it or something. I don't know. I mean, you could really get crazy with it. We could have Scott do a deep dive on that for Adafruit. So you could have a Instagram selfie thing where you could just go hit the button and it would do your 60 seconds, and then it would automatically post your preset hashtags. That would be crazy, wouldn't it, you guys? That's what they need to work on. And then the other things that I got is, I got one of these dice things, and the problem is, I think I wanted to make the time different for it. So I splayed out the resistor and the capacitor, but that's not what influences this for some reason. It seems like I changed some of the light bulb, the LEDs, and they have, they controlled it. So this wasn't working. And then another project I got these. This is a high frequency, like a audible. It's an audio frequency generator, and like, look at the difference between these, you guys. Can you tell the difference right away? This one has an amplifier. That one has an amplifier, and these don't. So I had these hooked up to the speaker, and it's just very minute sound, very soft sound. I was like, what is wrong with it? And then I looked down the one that I got before, and like, that's obviously a transistor, and then another like FET or transistor, probably just two transistors, like, two-stage transistors to bump it up in the capacitor. So it has a little audio, or like has an amplifier on that one. So these need a little boost. So I like those that you can adjust the frequency of the um, you can just adjust the frequency and the duty cycle. So, all right, I don't want to make this video too long because my videos are too long, you guys, and then you'll end up like falling asleep or something and crashing your vehicle or something. I don't want that. But happy holidays. I have a new camera thing. I'm trying to make it work.